Hi everyone. So today I'm going to run through how do you make an order on eBay. So let's get into the video. So if you want to make an order or purchase something on eBay, so firstly log into ebay.com and log into your account if you haven't. So log into your account. So it's better to have an account with eBay while purchasing because it will be easier to monitor. So once you are done, so where you're going to go is you're going to look for the thing that you're going to make that you're going to order. So for example, just use something. I'm just going to look for a more phone accessories. So I'm just choose something that you're gonna order. So for example, I'll go with this temper glass. All right, let me use this. Okay, so click on it. So search for the product and click on it, and then have a look. Like once you're done, once you have made up your mind on what you're going to order or purchase, so what you have to do is like here. So I'm, for example, here I'm going to buy this one. So what I'll do here is, okay, I'm going to select the model here for my phone because I'm buying this glass for my phone. So I'm just going to select the color, everything. All right, so yep, so I've done all those things. So make your selections if required. So make all these selections if required, everything. Then I'm happy with everything. So go through the product and see the shipping, everything. Like have a look just before you make any purchase. Just go through the product and see if you are satisfied with it and everything. Once it's all good to buy, then what you have to do is click on buy it now. So click on buy it now. So this will get you to your checkout page. So now we're going to choose the payment option, like how you're going to pay for it, whether with your credit card or PayPal, so whatever it is. So just choose that. If you're choosing a card, then you might have to enter your card details if it's not been saved before. So that one, or if you're using any other methods or PayPal, just select that. So select whatever method that you're going to pay with. And also here is the shipping address here. So this is the default shipping address that eBay has fetched from my account, like while creating. This is the address that I used when I create the account. So that's the default one. So if you're using your default address, or if you want to change it or get it shipped to a different address, you want to change your address, then here change click on change, and enter your new shipping address if needs to. All right, and then yep, select everything. So once you have select your payment method, or if you have entered your card details, if you're paying by card, all you have to do is click on confirm and pay, and that's it. So once you click confirm and paid, it's gonna confirm your order, and the payment will be processed, and your order is confirmed, and you will receive the tracking and all notifications to your eBay account once the seller updates the information. All right, so that's basically how you make an order on eBay. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.